In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video to Google Drive and share that link. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But Google Drive is perfect for sharing videos, whether it's with a client, a classmate, or just a friend. Here's how you can go ahead and do it. Begin by opening up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome right here. And what you're going to want to do is go to drive.google.com. Once you're signed in, click the New button up in the top left, or sometimes this can be down in the bottom, and select File Upload from within here. Now go ahead and select whatever edit or video or file you want to put in. In this case, let's go ahead and put this edit just like so and begin uploading it to Google Drive. This might take a minute or it might not take a minute. It kind of just depends on your Wi-Fi. But once it is uploaded right here, what you're going to want to do is find that video and select these three dots right next to it. And you're going to see an option for share. Go ahead and hover over it or just select it. And then you're going to see share and then copy link right here. What you're going to want to do is change the share option by selecting share first to anyone with a link from restricted. From here, select copy link, and now you could share this link to whoever you would want. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.